Hello everyone, my name is Kartik Saktaval and welcome to another edition of Kartech Talks. In a previous video, we explored the distinction between a digital transformation, a digital strategy, and a digital marketing strategy. In a future Tech Talk, we will explore a how-to primer on establishing a digital strategy. But for today, let's explore the broad topic of digital transformation. Just as hazy as we, as an industry, have painted for our business partners the distinction between a digital transformation and a digital strategy, it seems like if you ask 10 technology executives what they mean by digital transformation, you will get 15 different perspectives. How do we know if we've been successfully transformed if we are unaware of what we are transforming into? How do we measure success? How do we get to a common understanding of a transformation and what resources we need to marshal to achieve success? How do we start the journey to complete a transformation when the only thing that we can count on is that the business and technology landscape will be vastly different at the end of the journey than it was at the start of it? As a refresher, a digital transformation is how we can leverage technology or technological practices to fundamentally and radically change or transform our organizations from the inside out. In doing so, we aim to improve the performance or optimize the reach of our enterprises. These inside-out transformations driven by technology are usually on a massive scale and can prove to be spectacularly disruptive. They can seem disruptive because they are foundational. They're all cultural transformations, and organizational culture takes time, effort, persistence, consistency, and tenacity to change. It also requires to be championed at every single level of the organization. As Peter Drucker said, culture eats strategy for breakfast. No matter how disruptive, no matter how seemingly intrusive, and no matter how uncomfortable at times, these cultural changes are also absolutely vital to continue being relevant and thrive in the business landscape of the 21st century. Digital transformations include things such as human-centered design, design thinking, automation, innovation, adopting a cloud-first and or a mobile-first mindset, artificial intelligence and bots, and last but not least, agile methodology. Digital transformations challenge our current way of thinking and force us to change from the inside out. Unless you are a digitally native company that is born off and from technology such as Tesla, Airbnb, or Google, every single organization, regardless of size, scale, scope, or sector, is going through some type of a digital transformation. And yes, these are a long game. And yes, these can be uncomfortable, but these changes are necessary. The most destructive transformations are from the outside in, such as cracking an egg when pressure is applied from the outside. You do not want your business to be forced to change by outside and external pressures and under duress. The best transformations are from the inside out, like a caterpillar emerging as a butterfly. These transformations from the inside out require each of us to think differently, act differently, and do differently. Until next time, I'm Kartik Saktaval, and this has been a Kartech Talk.